ESAN welcome Avara. Sorry for the coming of life late. Para Ravado. Offering nos Jesus name at Yao. Para Renegade Nigeria Rebe Oboshan Fair. Offering nos Jesus name at Yao. Good evening, good morning. It's where you were that on the video now. Revedo Para OYE-OYEEE. OYE-OYEEE. Para o Egbe fún wa refe Rado wa neme show ni video na bejara ni ge orebe ki da boy wa wo ono tani madata na oji otanare ni ge orebe ki sabo ni ge ma rebe sabo lu nonse ma rebe tun ma rebe si jowo dalo o e mo ni show na o yi show na re gumoria o yi show na re si ori aka uto o yi show na re te bewa chon o ni show e ba re mi ge ma rebe ki sabo chon ya mi ge ESAN entertainment ki move jowo dalo o e mo ni show na kin so me invite ba rebe be ya mi ge ma ki ko tai ya mi ge ma ki sabo akisabo swa ESAN entertainment jowo dalo ahun ewo entertainment jowo dalo ahun so me invite rebe in the subscribe on the channel now about bobo but women for the support so far they are subscribe the love and everything. I'm not taking you guys for granted but bobo women offering us Jesus name and rebe dia fair ara when I will watch your video now. Why invite friends in this server? Area you when I will why just invite you Hama. What's up nare ta one able that contribute well let's say ma loge or desabo promotion entertainment ma loge or desabo she ESAN entertainment job wodalo no bar river no we are desabo richer only no by plus 234 no plus 234 6323 60047 WhatsApp only call one money show na ibare nemege ma mwesa jowo dalo ESAN entertainment jowo dalo ma jabe ni kai o ma my money show na election gbova denya many things rewan sunu ke manji ebe sunu wuro mi da ko enonya oji da wo na we wo dey for good 4 hours and me pasa bo shan ye ahun ewo me ho na mi ge wa show ni show na ahun wa show be yara mi o rebe ki sabo anybody no wan e boss abota e boss abo contribute be yara mi ge ma lo ESAN ki ame entertainment no ESAN o ki jowo dalo o e ma rebe o e ma gwano. The show is all about promoting our culture. Ma promote ESAN entertainment. One way music who promote or anything who no lu. Wa jivenle ke whoever done. Or you go you so everything is free. So one way waja zo ko bogbe share ni video na. Tami friends here, tami honor akin. Share journey vibe online. Anybody can call. Like I said, the telephone number now is about reaching me with WhatsApp is plus 234 plus 34 6323 60047. Call him with WhatsApp. Make it about reaching. We have anything with that one. Any advice where you is about give him a the yara ESAN entertainment market swai job dalo. you know, Maki Swai Jowo Dalo. Bejada Miri ESAN Entertainment. Okay, yes, about Jabo Seneke. Wedari Igbo lose Edo Okize where you say do Atanya. Edo ni entertainment no say wo worry. Or say some Bima Washan ye. Or say some Bama Washan Yamada Waye. ESAN Entertainment in other Waye. Wow. Na mehu na ata ebare miege maki movies entertainment aki move Jowo Dalo. Musicians in this and one you come the ruwa. Bejada miege maki esabo temo. We have any contribution when let's say we would contribute. When I is very free. It's very free. Meka WhatsApp is plus 34 63 23 60047. Call back when I will go one waja revive na gwa le ba shan ye beja da mi ge maki sabo mo entertainment no se san Monsieur Jowo Dalo ahun. If you want to be part of this program where the WhatsApp number is on the flyer not cover this video, the WhatsApp number is there. So what try I call only call please only call ESAN OYE-OYEEE. Well, one never show the video now. But yada me go come kill and say me really line. Well, sure, but yada me go not na. Nasabo monota. No rewesa boko zona bilo. But yada me ki me ba shan ye. Musicians in the voice and entertainment no say same someone re he mother was abo me ma wo zoborio. Ada wo sabo zoborio ade gwande ba shanje ahun ya. Musicians in the boom from Edo in is Edo no riwo edede ni revive webo edede o ni revive webo iwo ke sama ESAN Zilo, God bless you Zilo. O boy died almost. Se never show the video na wete. Se never show be yara miemige agbon kile. Iwo kama ribo ne boom ne nidu rekba. Musician san boom ne nidu rekba. Wa wo never show the video na ho. I say show the video. Ba show. Vasho Bejada Mary Agbon Kilengi Mariwe line. WhatsApp number is free, no where boy is free. Even with Nigeria is free. Where there's about call the WhatsApp number. Tamama Ebima Sabolu Eba Sabolu Nada Mary ESAN Entertainment. I will share it now. Thank you, Zil. Thank you so much. Bejada Mary ESAN Entertainment. Okay, si Jowo Dalo. I never show. On even show the video, please. When unless say they call, when there's about call the WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number, you can call WhatsApp number now. You can call it. Ebola se masa bolu beja da miemige entertainment is and musicians is and aki yele beja rele every other musicians. Major yaki yele or yaki len to evawe kyo or yaki len to evawe kyo or neju len. So I will be azagbanu tonpada affair one. So I'm going to go waja zoilo bejada miemige ESAN Entertainment, our music industry ESAN Entertainment movie and everything oreki si Jowo Dalo. Àwọn ọ̀nàmọ́ ìlú náà zẹ̀ ọ̀nàmọ́ contribution wẹ̀lẹ́ sẹ́ wẹ̀dẹ́ sábọ̀ contribute bejada miemige alboy Maki Esabo si Jowo Dalo, the floor is opened. The floor is opened. And mebo ye ronegi na je ibio mere. Wadada deva odere Europe this summer. I will also celebrate feel de Europe this summer. So wajane ron bejara memege son black rugwe gore make sabo le name na eki chonle ahuna wo so wadada de vibe Europe wadada de Europe this summer I feel like they here Europe this summer wa wo go kesa ejima re aye tatimeti no sesa o mema muri ya miame ge waja try asibo kesa wajima promote me no sema wajima promote me no sema make a time last video ni melu ibo ke do re no se here e wo promote wo no se oze we ya uchi no oze we ya uchi even no say no oze we ya uchi you know musicians say sound sema many of them like I said before many of them need the help and alone sema wa wajima promote lo isa wajima promote culture no sema I will give you any rest on Emioria or sonoria ahun go ebore de no reho emioria or sonoria so emioria sonoria o ESAN ejesan obi o mi ara igbe fuere anyone can wise family dadu ma wesen now good evening bro thank for loading old ESAN record please I need old model boy is on this channel model boy lo nisi model boy rebe ba refe are sobugo rebe run channel na won ho awo gbali gwanoibo oribo model boy rena obi o mi ara ma God bless you ma happy Sunday ma model boy ribo ni channel na model boy ribo. You know, model the most okay now we're swinging model would run a channel or would run a channel now. You know, so Model is a very great man. Model is a very great man. And idea before, you know, or weki suse for early 80s or so, or weki sabo hebata weki wami then. Well then let's say Model is a very great musician. You know, Model I could remember then Model again or we meaning when everyone will matter nyage bare rekpa kan ye. Model was, I believe, after Sonny Okosun say okay no mama David London no boy then remember again or ni Noria Kwemire kan Sonny Okosun e David London OCC wo David London OCC so but may his perfect soul rest in peace na ibeze me that term entertainment no se wan e ma term Model bonya won ibeze only na that mama chebi magine mamaria kugbe as iwo kesan eniru wa bi na erwe webo mada gine mamaria na beria ge my needy mare promoting some musicians and ESAN entertainment generally. Western Model more naturally lucky no ye kweminya. I think abono so maybe or this channel so. You know Model more naturally lucky no kwemi. You know so there is this thing Edolu ni Iwoko Edolu eki you know sons and daughters of Edo legend. Mandi Iwoko Samalu Bejare wa badina. Ma yeri Samalu Bejare ESAN, ESAN, sons and daughters of ESANMUSIC legend. Mother Yerule Bejario. Oh, ye baby. That would be nice. My sister, it would be nice. Only that woman, my year, you know. But, enemy na, rebe, maniti mare kubo. When ori aluemi, ebi mekike rebo na bono. Oria aluemi, other maybe pusher, other maybe supporter, okay, I'm who not a lui, baby, not a lubai. Iremo monkey, ebuere alu whether who or a swine or a robot, which is neighborhood encouragement. Where can who wear a low baby? Our entertainment in ESAN is so poor. A poor boy. most of our actors and our actors and actresses is so access about, you know, I may imagine beres about meet up with you. Was Lord no my family one more when I beres about meet up with you. And in the mina, my review. My review fair. We are going to no revonya in the law say do a migo. But also some because why? A do a mama appreciative no see. A mama appreciative no see. I will tell you now we are any wokane sulo na ne boss as an amani viable tonya relo no seboto God bless you ski that God bless you brother so never show the video no we are relo no sazana ma wo born okay wo tonya weki read ilo edo woto edo boy or edo woman eki prefer ni ku ilo edo no say than they ku ilo no sorry abebe. I need to promote culture no sorry. I promote me no sorry. We said that gave YouTube. We said that gave Facebook. Or no gominere ilo no sorry baby. Ilo no yo say or ye don't ilo nakin. Or no go. Ekelo. Iwo ke sama ba ho wo. Esa oye akere o say we before say no show the video wa ho wo wajima si toi beja da miemi ge ESAN entertainment make ye promote your sisi be am make saboja be ewu ne ke oye be sono ESAN musician yere ava ewu boy dead oye be sono ge ibi one yere never be dana do ahwe mi wa you know. Also more everyone in my program weekly ESAN night. My vision concerning that program was musicians here. But you know, so that was my vision for that program. You know, but let's not go into that. But Messiah believe you made sabo mwesan, maki mwesan ki gine tunu kunose. Veke okugbe. Because c'est ça on job au bona ok foi a connaître nous et a kubnyemi on est va dans ces années ok quoi you know et donc carezeze yenya we are refuse ou pas compagnon retourna rearo le menyo da be we are kono kru kore nyon kugbe ok gowa oni bacho ukugbe wan kugbe mama wan so fe mebo ye jeware ilo no se wadada progress not running YouTube is the most played ESAN music not real online. Only Loninya we kid sabok we be Spotify. Sorry, don't mind my sound. I would have only Loninya we kid sabok we be Spotify. Only Lonya kede okide available we jirebe every record store only Loni kiriwo. Omi Kaladu apart from Wadada Afile Eyes on Ofe all over. Who are our waiting our main children minamia? Dogo obio me notanya, you know. Obio me nota. Apart from Wadada, you know, apart from Wadada, Eyes on Ofe, Afile and all over. Who are our young musicians now? This guy is doing great, and Kaladu is doing great. We are talking about the next generation legend now. Ottawa Nonya. Kaladu is doing great. They very vibrant in Yanobo. Many say Kaladu they go so boy run on Amedosha nature endurance Agadagodo. The boy have a very lovely voice. No, the boy have a very lovely voice. And one of you have on here my YouTube. We are Kaiho Agadagodo. We are Kaiho Onu kan wujene swilo. Oni ze wole be no obio me. Oni ze mada promote ESAN entertainment. Nanya ewonu wesuno nanya a modaswilo for the past 30 years. Wadada. I think this year Nanya Odelu 33 years life of stage, you know, sorry. A mother swallow for a very long time. Ebe zemada ikwe kibio ma ribo ne swallow. Ebe sio nada jabege nya ebo ribo nya ne swallow. Roundege my mama we ilo ESAN. By the time we da file we de wadada we dies on off we dohwe and the young shall grow. In a wool learner. Diamond White Vekpoma is doing great. Only way you're doing, only way yellow nonsense. So I believe Ode Lula for staging also maybe next month or so. Except me check the flyer. Let me not give wrong information here. Only yellow nonsense. Oba my name in a revige madafige ebo baby rivo ne swilo ni mawanle. Ebeze me da job on my year because any man my mama pay attention to ESANMUSIC. So obio men ya no money name and no me apart from wadada affiliates on off. I believe people can hear wuru minya ne sulo nemo album. Maybe was say sabon mama me konde leni sejada jogi akile akimama who. But I believe with love, say, what deal okay, now I really want to, know more about ESAN. I really want to search for more ESAN music to play. Like this, my YouTube, James Kaladu, yes, Kaladu is doing great. Meze would do to attention make it where mojo because where mojo it will bring you back to it will remind you of many things. Please honor that contribute what I call anybody that want to call or you have anything to contribute. The WhatsApp number not running flyer is opened only for call. The WhatsApp number not running flyer is opened. You can call and contribute. Let's say Malu or there's about promote ESAN Entertainment. So you can call, make your contribution. Malu nya was ESAN, Malu nya madaluonya, madesabo, improve our entertainment in ESAN. Or they only call or they happy. So or they happy. There is this guy called Egbadon, Oyameda. That guy, OG voice someone. OG voice or that guy. Anytime I listen to that music, I just know bra obu with the life you not see Egbadon. OG voice someone. There is this other guy again, Mewo Lesege or Moji voice but the guy is not doing well. I believe he gave Madesabo but this guy nature Joe Sigma, okay, Kaladu. That guy need the happiness, and that boy has swallow. No. That guy who or Jenna swallow. Or need the happiness, also. So there are many things. Nimasa bolu repai. We are promoting music, say or that at least I as a to or maybe no to I said or maybe once in a while may just see only 50 now or Mefio Noria. Regis Bond. There is this our brother again. Joe Sigma is an excellent musician. James Wewole, that guy, my brother, me aka hilo no so ka me have atansi or read their level no ye. Anytime America hilo no so God is my witness. Me vie why is this guy not topping the link? Okay, I go me have here because that guy Oju Rujo Sigma. And Ilonosoy is very meaningful. Ilonosoy is very meaningful. A big Kaladunya Mege be twins. When I listen to their song, be twins. So another call you WhatsApp, you can call If you want to make a contribution, you can call. The number is +34 6323 60047. You know, so near the number, make more with the commented manner chatting. So either call, you can call WhatsApp, you know, so I rego 632360047 so 47 only plus you know call. So the guy music is very dynamic. God bless you. So hey Swilo, my brother, only help you now. When be only plus no break no ba many worry sorry on area. So irebe need do repa. You know, say irebe need do repa. And the mayor let's say money wo boy na madesa bolo. Every city and maybe I don't know a general ESAN association. ESAN association is the musician pass ESAN every year. On musician and not 21. At least also make it shake be. Next year ESAN robo na boom. Next year ESAN robo na boom. Before be sunu. ESAN entertainment talk about said do. We are fair again outside do musician na mama do musician. Onu su ware ni su ware na ni bo re dachi and the way you can re promote or other mama hemo or other mama le and ni bo ke san lo ni hardly nya we mi bo ke san ne ko arisan lo mina or maybe because we are dagere we ilo ebo lo ni son ilo de we meaning ilo na wale je ne jabe mina e orebe ku awon wo kawa waji ma promote mi ma ESAN jogo wa konre waji ma promote mi ma ahun wo we akahilo abonus is born so not be YouTube when we done. Very interesting music, very interesting album, you know. So all you are not be Modebo is a legend. Modebo is a legend. I believe all this year in Modebo or me ajoge apart from Egnore Ahonare, the late Sonny Okosun. Me sure since then Ochisabo more Webo, watches Yawebo. We are family rural Mireveganya, all says about Yawebo, apart from I feel like I must cast about Webo for a very long time. You know, of recent again, from Rewu Hini, then everyone said that was about link up. So we need more of that. Hello? Alta. God bless you. Memo of your speaker. God bless you. On Egbewo. Egbe Fuere. So, how you are, my brother? So, no problem. Join our call,
in the Italy when I call
Italy when I call Buonasera.
Buonasera, my brother.
Well, come on, stars.
Okay,
you don't know. So, what is your contribution and what do you think we can mass about Lube Yada Memige ESAN Entertainment? Marquis about the short Joe Dalo Boss and Do Boss in the K.
Yeah, bros. First of all, every way I told them when I said, okay, you said, I will not say only go get me because that will no.
Okay.
Most time I can YouTube. Mama, will I get YouTube channel? Mama, most view record musician on me. What that I want
yes, what that?
Galadu. I think
I will boy with Calad.
We are millionaires.
It makes sense.
My wish is and YouTube channel on their own.
Yeah.
Basement go.
Yes.
it did that boy anyway. I bonus say, yeah, good news about ESAN.
Yes.
Never go, yeah, I'm say.
Okay.
So the eggs are that.
Okay. So on
Understand?
the tiny yamata worry on we tiny will make sense. A lot of sense. A lot of sense. First of all, like we said, first of all, you will come and first of all need to appreciate our ESAN music and value it. Because we are kerege, like you said, a prefer ne akwe no somi lo o mame fiegu wetin o mame lo nya ni lo ne won emo bere no re emo oye won that rebe why they will not remind you of anything. And we are fair ilo esan make a tell last week ilo esan inoja be preaching o inoja be we preaching and preaching what way because inoja be itan gbe uhie gbe no re they will inspire you, as in, but it's unfortunate. It will come and go in. So, but I believe some brother rekbawa. Beja miemige, imada ye boniti magbo yere ami sono sewanorebo makia promote. Makia promote, which is very important. Makia promote. So now, if mass about promote ye makia share Facebook, ma share everybody. Or say me wonder Sunday boy joke, so only them mama when let be just say that mama Jerry, when let be some even not say that mama Jerry. Most of them, sorry to say this, aim on manage, aim on no manage.
Yes, that's one time.
Okay, most of them are okay, emo manager, emo no manage. Listen, and for you to be a musician and you want to be successful, we must have a manager, no manager. One that will always put you through. No, let's say Sony Lona, Nyani Lona, Mani di Mari radio station. Mani di Madore promoter ni Lona, Mani only Lona, only di Nore Aribi eh. Nagbon let's say game swabon. You understand me? And ebeze me go ye kerege most of them that mama lo name because market I house announcing.
Yes.
Marketer a house announcing, and we are go first marketer even as we speak now. I was opportune to speak with our brother yesterday, producer. No, the guy Jimmy CD yes CD I am a bit there. Okay. So okay, now we're going. So as a marketer now, for you to say okay, marry 500,000 musician now or read 200,000 musician, we must have a better money go near. And we could actually where the job radio station, we can have radio stations we could all wanna. At the end of the day, the marketer with them money go, with them susu. With them your son no invest. So only yes care many of them. And so the only way marketers about even another meme Masabo twin Maki Sitwa. Everybody not re Europe no like say okay, sitting me your mama in ESAN Union. Sitting in my your mama in ESAN Akugbe or anything. Okay, because me that many people. Okay, so it is well, my brother. Thank you for your call. Thank you for your contribution. God bless you, my brother. So, brother, ESAN OYE-OYEEE. Brother Boo. God bless you. So that is our brother now calling from Italy. So it's all about contribution. It's all about a master Boshaye. Patrick Tony. He said we need to help them promote their music. It's very important from Netherlands. Tony, God bless you. You can call us on our WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is there. Let me pin Let me pin it so that pin this message. Okay, WhatsApp number is there, Tony. You can call. So my will need says now me get my promote ilo esan. Ahun wo wo esan. Eji wa reaje. Waja promote wo esan wa. Waja promote wo esan wa. Emi oria. E bore de no reho emi oria or emi oria. Osema is different from Osemena is different from Osemana. You know, ESAN is Osema and it's Oseme. So this program is all about promoting. Yeah. And another thing again, maybe we need to have more ESAN music awareness. Oh, thank you, my sister. God bless you. We need to have more ESAN music awareness. It will be good to see our entertainment industry. So low. You know, so only one know is very okay now. Me YouTube bunya. And my YouTube me really so apart from anything ESAN. Me mo but decide ro me da lo and me mo ESAN me promoting. I'm not you know me just choose. I want to promote my people's music. I want to promote ESAN song. Last year I did some award, which is this year. I will also sonobra me there yellow. I will also sonobra. I will still do it. So the thing is, many people will vibe on the channel. On the channel, about 80% of people vibe. They will play music from my analysts. They will play music, but to subscribe, self now wahala. They subscribe na problem because they feel maybe a subscribe. While subscribe, you know, our customers also who that has I know who sign or women. So why do you promote ESAN music? Wadada Progress is on digital platform. Wadada Progress or Kiribijiri or digital platform. Whether it's about download or read Facebook or read Twitter or read TikTok or read Instagram. Wadada Progress album is the most played music online. It's the most played ESAN music online. It's available now on every store. So already Facebook market, already Instagram music market, already. So on whether what's about lu on wajima promote woke sama. ESAN marking ahun awogo waja promote woke sama ahun awogo woke sama. Yo we know ahun awogo. Ahun ya ESAN OYE-OYEEE. ESAN OYE-OYEEE. Ahun what's the name share the video now. What time you come? I know that call. The WhatsApp number is there. You are free to call without the plus in the double call. You are free to call us on WhatsApp. We both Mansa Boshan ye bejada gene miemege Maki Sabo she ESAN entertainment jobo dalu bejada miemege agbon tao Mandesan Maki eri Sabo tao. It's all about promoting our culture, our ESAN entertainment. We have ESAN movies vunji YouTube vunji but we are fairly avoid in the watcher to the movie now. It was about the problem is that is the problem we have. That is the problem we have. We need that's the problem we have. That is the problem. We need to come together as one. Unity is power. Kubeahu. Unity is power. Kubeahu. One ESAN OYE-OYEEE. About the video now. One name sure. Like I was saying, they were removing. We are saying most of them. Okada say now, which is very. Other no do Kenya then Okada. Other no more that been moving for the past 10 years, for the past 5 years. They are house and also Johnny movie sharing. That but Johnny movie. They my game. They my David. Johnny movie sharing. Market akirego ne market aki sabo hanos and eki sabo de okay eki bemo eki lay bike dimoto eki sabo rukmo. But because the industry is so poor, because nothing is happening, eji me wa sabo lo se oida sabo lo se ESAN OYE-OYEEE. So this wadada okirebe wadada na okirebe every platform, or Facebook, or Instagram, or Twitter. Iwo ke sama nelu TikTok video, but you say ESANMUSIC. You will still get your view. Anywhere now, ESAN working. ESAN working. ESAN working. Iwo ke sama nelu Facebook time. We are using mean a Facebook story, no say we are using ESANMUSIC. Anywhere now, why you Jamie Manson normal? Why you Jamie Manson normal? E boy be so no say we can ye boy who emu no yo. We are really sabo. I can say some work now. ESAN working. We listen. Other rest we working. Other rest we working. Other rest we minare. Iluesan wa containing immoral words. No area. ESAN is all about encouragement. ESAN is all about motivating you. ESAN is all about, giving you inspiration to, to think well and to live well. ESAN, eke hovunji rebe. Yeah, ESAN na nona chon. Eke hovunji rebe ababegbe. Aitiro, ababegbe. Mada sabodro jowo dalo, eke babegbe nina mada sabodro. Is there ESANMUSIC in Facebook story? Yes. Kaladu riwe ni this thing riwe ni bekwecho chas riwe ni afile riwe ni wadada riwe ni kaladu riwe ni and medeye any more opportunity na yes about the lu ade yes about Monday by eriwe my sister, so one when I go back just see twa be yada me market about promoting lu sanu sewa ESAN one who ESAN ye like only wadada nanya okiribi this wadada progress okiribi every digital store this wadada nanya okiribi every digital store so wadada progress only wadada nanya progress okiribi every digital store. We're not with TikTok or would they call with TikTok? Just enjoy that no Emperor Wadada progress. Okay, that bad. Or the full born redone. We're not me now. We shall only Facebook story or ESANMUSIC only load na river. Okay, gonna say Kaladu load to where who use Kaladu ruini. Who gonna load to where use a chance ruini. Ruini. And more will still come because. Me, I promise myself I will keep promoting my ESAN culture, my ESANMUSIC. I don't care, So and you when again when you're ESAN know that will promote ESAN making. Any man have ESAN making. Any man, So I'm going watch my promote some musicians. This summer nanya. Wadada de riwa ewebo so ode riwa ewebo June I think July de riwa ewebo July so July de riwa ewebo are you married to Honolulu anything Honolulu? For more information you can contact me. I many the wadada Honolulu marriage and gonna radio no problem. I feel like they here around so okay so why you want promoting any nonsense. One of our sisters, Normania, other sweet musicians, so no, apart from Wadada, I feel like all over. Do we still have young, vibrant musicians? So, on it boy in my leg, it that buswele. So, one when I say musician, where you Facebook, and promoting, you also heard no. Listen, most people tell me where all their share video, not say you are using my video to make money. Oh no, use the video, don't say that. If you know what it takes to promote something, anybody will never share me, not say you will tell the person thank you, you appreciate the person. And at the end of the day, they share me, not so no, you appreciate them. So, but I could sacrifice, I could sacrifice Amy so. So Amy so not sacrifice. because we are figuring out most musicians were signed into record label. Yeah, register 100 times. It's so working when they may be responsible, but at times it's okay when you build on the lane. You keep build on the lane. It's okay build on the info. You carry them. You carry some more jobs. Musician working. Create a Facebook. Musician activation. Where you create a Facebook. Create a Facebook. Let you have your own platforms. Where musician don't sell more. It will do you good or they help you. Musician working where musician work where there's about a manager no manager. It will help you when need the manager. Faith voice message system. You know, when need the manager. Most of our musicians aim on manager. Musicians need someone who are aim on managers. When need the manager? Rorian no manager. Why you may not so that one manage? Why platform not so that one manage? Is very important. Why platform not say one musician or that manage your Instagram or that manage another man. Any musician with that again now, even Davido, even Whiskey Dinner, they are sacrificed a lot. And when they manage, I heard they say I some musician making because their orientation is just a bonwa idimoto. It's more than that. It's more than that as a musician. It's more than that. OYE-OYEEE. Ilonu is a career.
That's with my music. Like this.
I go down. I'm on the line. Ilonu so is a career, and you need to protect it. You need to invest on it. Now, many musicians need someone to work. Daniela, go sit down, okay? Many musicians need someone. Go and sit down that they're on the line, okay? So many musicians need someone they want to work. As you speak now, if I register, government will see ebejario say existing. Government will say bejario say bejario in is a musician of jario because why? Our register and I know where to register our costume so. As a musician, we will need that. I want to know what time. As a musician, we will need where to register your music band as a company. When let me say whether register your music band as a company, where register your music band as a company as a musician, we shall already maybe we shall travel. I was shocked. Maybe my sister joking, you know. So I was shocked to hear one Edo man bought instrument worth £60,000 for one Edo musician, shipped from abroad. How I wish we can emulate them. You see? Musician will do just care. Who could that get rebe? He walk a rebe, jeje just to that barrier as supporter jeje. He rebe just to let that barrier, jeje supporter jeje. Eki done equipment, eki done honoria, not to make sure they honoria muja. You know, so I want to again, you know, I think ebe me arebe because it's a reason. Ebe me imitate. Ebe me arebe koko. So why when why say you want try? I say you want try new musicians in this one. Entertainment is no we Métier Edo State because many say in Edo they are doing great. In Edo are doing great. My one musician will sing now move 400,000. Let your musician now will sing now I move 400,000. We shall do more where I collect away 400,000. Horrible. Another rejuve me no story horrible. Horrible. You may less horrible. Horrible. But Auchi musician river we are move 600,000 to 1 million. Edo musician run we are move 1 million. We as a watching no dog we never say sanoka 1.5 1.4. Entertainment worry. Elena Mieboras we are promoting in Osera. Elena Miebora. Elena Wumiebora. But my me no sema enemy my game you know my game oi me ahun wo kesa ejiwa reage we re Dublin ru ejuere ejuwe reage wa am junior more we meeting no sema jog okay every year machando alwe me na choi ESAN day. Prince Charles, God bless you. You know, Prince Charles, God bless you. When which where are you? We Europe or which where are you? Any organization where they buy as ESAN, more Tamege every year. You know, Tame every year. Let's do something. But yeah, maybe you are are you serious? You mean ESAN musician? Ah, my sister working here. We are getting 100,000, 50,000. I money 100,000, 50,000. You know, all 100,000 is very expensive. We 100,000, 120, very expensive. You know, so 150. 150. Any watching 150. So we wrote 3 months away that machine you. I beg Jerry. You know, it's all 3 months away that machine you. But, Bora Wakida I know so na Mama Sabo. So it may go meta, it may hold meta, and it may hold meta. Nearly gay were really any forum, any group. Where you be Europe with an America, Asia, Canada, anywhere, Europe, anywhere. Where are you? More really group no seven. More eba sabore by ESAN entertainment here. And every year it should be a routine. Every year I'm one musician. Like I'm one musician, I'm more Doria entertain Egbewa. Our customers are so now wow, that is so bad. You don't know, you know, so you don't know. So why do you try? Oh, bomb my name in ye. If me that you bomb my name in ye. Ma lu beje do people lo ni rek pa iwo rek pa musicians no say iwo ke musicians ma ki every day okay na. E ki every day okay. Musicians ma ko every day okay. E ko every day okay. You know, echo yeri de okay. Ah, musician, so that barrier na. You already be done musician ni. Omo ekwe mi omo emi na. Ah, okay. O ton pa that barrier. O musician that barrier. O jeje. Oni okay. Oni go ni ma koko rejoy. Ba ja don le mi mo joy. Ah, don le mi mo joy. Wo da go so ni segbeche. O so ni gbo segbeche. Oni okwa hin o sa bo be mo. Mi adage so nya mi adage so ke agon mi avie musician. Ah, ke su le jere down ke agon mi avie. The winning are back the winning ja. You know, always you know, we talk about about horn, no horn. We talk about about horn, no horn. You know, man need our people need the support, entertainment in ESAN need the support, ESAN entertainment. When bacha solo, when bacha solo. So my way gave me because my value. As we speak now, 80% of people they do music. It's a question the question. Elo nada hume or elo na area mo. Elo ibare sisigaye, elo ibare danyoye. Oni okba elo oni elo ni wukama teka wotokwe. Elo na tamanye nonsense. Elo na tamailo nonsense. Iwo kama go emi. Ewo go elo. Ewo yege ni lo so no bra maybe no when ni ilo sama no viendrait va no so no bra because bejo jana nya avoid twin or some pose no twin or twin you know or some pose no twin musician say why rebe ubogbe che funji rebe he said now they are twin or twin so when wo kisan ejuare aye whether really group without any junior no way on that ESAN more really meeting us more every year why am we one musician is on abroad me wa jono do debe now wa more no yero ku mi beji edolo ma yera le beji are oyi beson ma yera le beji musician is on fire o do entertain man ogbo go back how that gbe wan oyi beson Oye beson no ase won wo ke sama ase ja se toi après nous sommes baro bosso man ko ya nenge onota na market take call serious man say at least eji manava e need the helping us man so they need the helping us man I pray may the Lord strengthen us and give us the courage and might and strength. Matters about law. Matters about living in the Bible hammer is very important. It's very, very important. And I want to appreciate you guys for joining me tonight. But the real book when and waking up at 9 now. Okay, my dad home on a weekend. I my review Sonobra. My review Sonobra. Do ball egg badon. Okay, now just hold on 1 minute. Let me call egg badon so they come with phone. Or when a Benjamin, egg badon. So let me call him. So that's about the matter before. Dr. Egbadon. This is a musician. Illinois soy is very great. Our more new upon you. Hello, brother. Ara. So Iwo Hama, our superstar, Onobioma, Egbadon do ball, or Nematanya, or Swilo not na Swilo Oyameda. Only loni obio me se mojafote o isoni loni oyameda o irila ninya obio me boele se masa boluje na remiemige musician ESAN sema ekija be se do eki hware eki esaba amigo ake saba muega boele se masa bo chaye
when musician also do million most of them even no say it was Marco.
Okay.
Most instruments.
Okay. 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 When
instrument my lack of.
Okay. 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 Now, Obio Manoni Mata Nanya Egbadon the guy no sweet Oyameda. Or in the matter on your phone. So only no so any Oyameda when Bezameda chair wogan now when we go now for Luisa. We load reward me. I should see load eternity no Jabi Luisa. He load one of Jabi Luisa. Because we are whole Luisa, he Luisa no Jabi weka he preaching. Ono Jameda ni brother ma huena, non de one town na. Egbadon. Only lo no jahu, ojahu oni loni mo. Oyo menonya rewilani nya menonya. Boy famous abolu nya na re miemige ESANMUSIC no sema ojabo sedo. O wege ikwemini no. Oni happy ni, oni wono, oni kwemini. And we are gonna kwe awofo, we are gonna kerege ibo kendonya oje mi isi owoto. Oje mi isi owoto na re kwemi. And bejo wogene tanya ene wo kimo on the bare kwemi wo to sama most of them jene kwemi oni no so onya from this in abon oyameda oni lona evergreen Azebale. Okay, now, only Lonanya, we are only Lona. Last week, me that joke, most of you lonely musicians say Sunday sermon, so when he the preaching would 12 because why? Everyone also me water, I'm a minister, so me water. Because why? Most of you lonely musicians listen one so they are full of message. Uhiegbe. Where more about when that chonga no one, where nowhere away. ESANMUSIC no as in when I mean that is powerful, what a way for 1 hour, when work it to boy bohin negbe. Aski we joy yes, I want to know my brother, I want to know because ya dagbe aki mi wo. I keep telling people one fekeresha obio menanya musician I believe nya ma kugbe nya ke okay iwo kesan ba jari 2 million nanya 3 million nanya. Or this about my baby no lensenya or they buy me ni soy or they empower or they change me ni soy. Or that's about or they making part. Or they making part. Or they making part. My chair do musician. Gene me ge me no say is so. At times, me get a kerege, only mina na just say no be question. Only women as no would turn again, no me go ready women on me. Only just wo no fo or wofu. Only lona me kwe and me des about kwe only lona. Me des about kwe only lona a whole day because why? We are Keremenya, you will never hear anything concerning secular word apart from any evil channel. You never hear them from me. It's, in my house is banned. I eat robust, so I secure, but that's how we do it. In my house, secular music, you know, some lona. I will never say I will say but ESAN music, me de work well. Because why? It's my culture, and many say ESAN music is not polluted. Owajabi mina, Owajabi no some lona, those is gado Daniel, dog if you don't know. Some music is not polluted. It's some music we okay take one more. You know, so my brother Agbadon, thank you so much, sir. Obobu, my brother. Yes, oh yeah. Ada brother, God bless you, sir. Eko wasa ya bi we do worry. Okay, brother. So bro boof. Thank God for Johnny Mercy. Okay, brother. God bless you, sir. God bless you. So Iwo, that is our brother Egbadon or Eswani Lona. Or Eswani Lona. So, Ibioma, musician Nanya no Talio. Musician. And it's our brother. Mesege live performance no sorry. Mege live performance no sorry. Me that boyege ejo that dog with me say all your life. The difference was really there. Different that we done. When be say that you're different that and I know it be any different that it be cause only different. Sister Mary okay. Sorry. You know, different that when they say different that only no sorry. Emi na no be choy. Ikwe me gene no. Because I shan't always the life on stage. I believe other invite, other support with some other things. Some equations will buy me also. But with the normal stage actually I share on you, make it get different and Beja work in Italia. Many musicians say never more with agent equipment, but they won't with me. But it's so never gen equipment they are really talented. I keep saying it. This young man, Natural Joe Sigma, Natural Joe Sigma, anytime I will no sorry, I feel as in see voice ururu eki gbenia ane obiano nya na gbona sha na gbona mo bojo aye o na gbona mo bojo ewo ke sanwa jare pa gbe nsosori wa gbon wa jare pa gbe nsosori wa jare pa gbe nsosori wa ji right to ya we my friends we're my friends ona ye gina re danyo at the end of the day work it danyo all through bu there's you are not making a part anyo we dey making party or making part on possible o mo ri no re pa o mo re no sabo re pa. So I believe the only way to make divine impact so we re pa make I tell last week my trainer des aboko school ben yake my trainer I marry 1 million in one musician ada gbe won brother not wetana me wo like okay me 100,000 no kejo me 100,000 no kejo me mention one musician last Sunday musician the church Sunday ben che heaven Sunday we che heaven Sunday ben and I believe most people that will come across this video Sonny Ben or Reba Gongon Beju are they young. By equivalence in Sonny Ben or Rokwale Yede, Buwa Kiresame, hey. How many of our say you on Sonny Ben? ESAN Junior all over the world. I will not say you people are not doing well. I try. Also, I try. ESAN Junior, what's a joint band? Whether you are ESAN Junior in America, in UK, in anywhere. Other change anything that has to do with ESAN Union. You people should wake up and sit tight and think of how we can improve our entertainment. Do you want it? But personal visa. Okay, let's say the union are registered. One person can volunteer. No more winner. No more one or who. Okay, the word that use the musician is all that year. Can send invitation to the musician, the association ki okay, ma won ri anu asabo ni ma lo be dan no ye lo on the musician ki vai. For every year, basabo do lo ESAN Union with France, ESAN Union with Italy, ESAN Union with Netherlands, ESAN Union with Ejori. Ma ri da do lo mo the one musician re every money one musician every year at times one waver na bat ebe no the comedians in the window no comedians the window in je we bo wo kan lo mi amunere ma mo ewo he just has been in the movie industry o kan cho egbenu nege mi ale mama le every down in nelu lo me na. So my yeri me masabo yeri organize akio na my yeri lu masabo yeri J5. What's a jima c'est toi let's anyone what do you want c'est toi this year every meralu ESAN natively most people understand my motto concerning that and this thing ebeze my dream boy ebeze me that who me mama genalu on the minute because I made that dagege ESAN entertainment talking. Obase, I'm talking of 5 years back. Edo. You know, we send me do people. Eki do twa we lo baby. Where Edo fi won could dagege oya bi agbame no kan ko ke dan. Maybe one program I Louis sound like one of my friends maybe other that one if you know that bon do bia we ke je ko lo we pa ko che ne Louis sound akọ ime so. Are you serious? On se moi, emi moi non. Mo ba che gbabonel mi. Ijele all those things. Mako kiyen nya lumina at the end of the day eki sivije re ra da mi ESAN. Wa ji wa re pa igbe. Ma ko ke gbe won gbe. To be frank, ma ko ke gbe won gbe, ma re pa igbe won. Jealous, ma ko ke gbe won gbe. Awi me I did all yen na. E wo no me ba joge na don mesu no na e ko kegbe e wo ye ko kegbe osisi e hon igbe osisi bet o se jada tun e jo heje ejo heje musicians in this one need resanya okay maybe okay me agbo call make call we be so they say when na be day free me ale when wo kama say jima si toi let's promote our culture majima promote ni ma ha ni ma majima promote ogbori a won boda mi ma won boda just me gbere ESAN ko gbe not rigid but every year but there's about one musician rere we show like promote ESAN culture but there's about every year even no jaro nya me o me involve even no jaro nya me o me involve even no jaro me alo make it me lo no all the musician about they make it jaro amori everything he dey no mo re akiro dress ni rere ijire ki monsia ejo fun ki da gboye mo wo nebi iwo kan wa ni iwo kan so le be son ono da honya okay ava de dan e do hon ono biora ko van o oda dogbo no re abi so oda dogbo mi na okay ava de dan e dogbo no re okay we ejo da lu show that spending go e ne over de no da dogbo here where the show na lu be ne lu UK lu emina ijere ki dey decent ya Ray, God bless you. Each Reiki did decent here. On the show, no Luby, Mina. Each Reiki did decent here. But on someone no. On over day, each of that alone, Mina, Jordana do enjoy, and you know, over the door that door home. I may go home. I may he. It's very bad. They want to tell me. Wajima change orientation. No, say, Wajima change. The jana name ge ESAN Entertainment okay sabo move Jordan okay sabo move Jordan ahun wo ona mejo medo to se mo na ahun wo so all election vade nyana so inya ye no nya edo we be boda ge be yerere ma kenye emi rebe na go to room that okay emi rebe dare ma kenye election ye vade nyana ESAN kugbe, ESAN this one, ESAN that one. Ukugbe riwo, ukugbe riwo. Ekeho vunji ribi, ekeho. Ona election yere ma gbe ba uko. Okay, major also ni shegbeche. But oni masa boto bo wan lu, waji ma lu. Oni masa boto bo wan lu, waji ma lu. Haji ma lu. Ori alu eminya, we ki alu we mo boy dalu. Or this thing no, I mean, ESAN Junior winner, ESAN Junior winner, ESAN Junior winner, ESAN Kugbe winner, ESAN this one winner. On a Kugbe na for each other Kugbe down in time, Kugbe down. Any of you will not here, a bar is twice on here, a bar and West and Yoda Yuri. A can ticket more than musician. A can visa. We need weather visa, a can mean. I say when we are bigger than this. No, Vice big boy. The motto don't have ESAN. The motto have ESAN for Ubovade. No impact. You are not making any impact. No nothing. No impact. No nothing. I say so we are bigger than this. We can do something better. We can do better. ESAN Edonia, no year, legend night, this one night. Where you react every sense of them, horrible. Our musicians should try to have manager. It's very important. Make okay, well maybe we'll add Makatai about having a manager as a musician. Makatai, my brother. At times in your work, I'm going to mention this one. Honorary picture. Work, I'm going to mention picture, not honorary picture. Without me, good picture. In this modern world, without me, honorary good picture. Without me, because even manager, even need we name me. It is I pray no bra, may God help us. And Magbo is about low, Magbo Yalo, the little we can do. Mafeke boya, on a YouTube channel, I don't even subscribe, because for my analysts, over 60% of people they play music from this my channel. If I subscribe, a subscriber, I also invite a play book band. Only even message time, and that is the same thing I'm saying. Only ESAN as in it costs nothing. Nobody subscribe. Either me we go, other me we so or you mean just subscribe. But me I feel get 60% of people they play my music from this channel is subscribe. Me I can subscribe me I don't subscriber me. You need would know. On no talk on what or say ye share you. Now listen na ke vanya ke lonya don na weibo or do visitor weibo. You are not doing it for that musician. You are doing it for your motherland. Like I said before, this summer, what that there every Europe. I feel like there every Europe. So the information that very soon concern I feel it. I'm very also feel like mama. So also what that I believe one of our brother he from he's from Germany. This our brother from Irwa. Or also what that done so but they are feeling on. I will bring out the information very soon by God's grace. So this summer, by the grace of God, we will need partners. We will need people that are when I mean that are serious to promote our culture. We will need them. I feel it will be coming to by the grace of God maybe 1 month tour in Europe. So or then we should get visa. So whether you need a marriage or anything, any state in whether need any country whether need my WhatsApp number is there. You can reach me on WhatsApp or really contact me down. So it's +34 6323 60047. That's my WhatsApp number. So you can call. We are still open to now. So I feel like we'll be touring Europe. We'll be touring Europe this summer by the grace of God. If you want him in Holland, you can contact me. If you want him in France, you can contact me. Anywhere in Europe, you can contact me. He will be around by the grace of God. So please, let's promote our culture. Let's promote our musicians. Let's help the movie industry also. It's very painful. Even when they movie care do all those things, we then get rid of the motor fair. But most of our brothers neighboring Urumi and neighboring sorry to mention major neighboring ESAN. I say nothing. So and another is doing movie to entertain you. We agree movie not so what you like all these things. So you can answer, when my friends say, let's send our help to those people. Okay, I need $300, I need $400. Okay, I need 1 million. Let's say, okay, let's 10 of us gather 1 million, give to this actress. Let's buy her something. Let's, it will go a long way. It will go a long way. I said, God bless you also. When I'm a John Megbo, at least Megbo Jirale, Megbo, because some maybe Mama Ban, they pay me really, they pay me. Maybe I get one musician that could on your motor no him. I was asking myself that this motor, I say, hey, this motor, so because Iromia will not be so, Murphy, not be so. Hello. Not be so, so what you want see toi, but you don't make a market about reply be one. So no brand major no rugwe Oh, actually, thank you so much. So this Wadada progress is available now for download. So already all store. So already all store. So already YouTube, already TikTok, already Instagram, already Facebook. Any store you can think of, already Amazon, Deezer, iTunes Music, Apple Music is everywhere. The album is everywhere. And Wadada will be in Europe this summer. So let's get prepared to to celebrate them. So I feel also there yet to Europe this summer. So I'm going to go to Sanjiwara Yefe, I'm going to promote me, Amy Monsema, Waji me, Muma Melo. Please, brothers and sisters. And there was no brother Baba. My WhatsApp number is still there. If you have any information, if you have anything you want us to talk about, or you hope when we Sabolu, you're a musician, you want us to play your music, or you free, my brother. My WhatsApp number is on the comment here. You can contact me. You can call me any day, anytime. God bless you all. God bless you, brothers and sisters. I'm going to go. Beg me joking. I'm going to brother Baba. Wajima promoting me, man. Industry, ESAN movie and music industry is not doing well. Now, when I be sure made that to not don't mean to offend anybody. But we need where it belong before you were this society. We need where it belong. Say we need the weather alone. We need the weather alone because when you're not with that supposed to succeed. No, I did wrong. Yes, you have to remove that from your head. You have to remove that from your head and ask God for divine helper. Oh, so no brother Baba really fair. This week, okay, me need more. Okay, me need marriage. Okay, madam you be. Madam you. So if marry Robolo this week, okay, Cholema. Or me not Uru me need to develop. It is well. It is well. God will help us and give us good leader. You know, better than maybe at least about develop ESAN really. I'm not talking of Urumi, you know, the whole ESAN. Yesterday I was talking with a friend, my dad did a friend again. Because we so run mamore jahiri, biju hujin mamore jahiri, onu who you say yes tina. My dad the guy, onu who. So that time bejari, which I know Billy said this about time bejari until we have leaders who will stand up and say enough is enough. I need to do what is right for our people. Now, like I said before, election vadenya, and be ESAN you governor ye. So I know put my name in a review until we have to come together to say this is what we want. You know. Mamosi Kugbe Jo Ebi Magwa Nona. Oh, that's one. You know, so Babu a house that is divided cannot stand. So I must see what my Kubo the Yada Merige Makisabo Repa ESAN Entertainment Makisabo Movie ESAN Entertainment Jawuda. Government is not the problem. Exactly what we were saying yesterday. Yesterday I was having a conversation with a brother, you know, when Metatamora, because to what I'm saying, Metatamora, government is problem no sewa. Government is problem no sewa. So, Murphy, maybe let's say the government is problem no sewa. So, I know you, only me my year affected by one another, maybe I read back by, I bash by all those stuff. So, I mean, government is problem so. Now we be our own problem, you know. So, bros, good talk. United we stand. Thanks so much for reaching out. Keep it up. God bless you, Godfrey. So the thing is, Mawako Bogbe might have about Lopaleva. And maybe I just see because we are so freaking in a big home. We're telling me now. Other Urumi need investment, and we need to invest on Urumi. I believe that Urumi is developing. Urumi is developing, which is from individual. So individual, mama develop Urumi, individual. So all the government. So individual in Urumi is doing great, and I must say is doing great too. You know, is doing great. But all the government one, so all the government. So and for us to break those barriers and say Urumi Yejabe Mena, it has to do with us. You know, Mama si Wena Kugbe as family, Mama si Wena Kugbe Kubo Gbejoge, Ebi Magwa Nona. Amada Sabolo. Mawalori Oda Sabo, Mawalori Oda Hona. So no brother Baba Refe. One will subscribe to this channel. like I said before, this channel, my dad didn't time every Sunday. The WhatsApp number is there. If you want to call, you can call. The WhatsApp number, where I fed the comment, the WhatsApp number is there. +34 6323 60047. That is the WhatsApp number. Only call. So like chat, my dad, we can put it on the comment on the live chat there. So, but let's say master ball here. Bigger than make change. Markets about ESAN Jordan. Mostly ESAN entertainment. I never mind interested. I'm interested in ESAN entertainment, ESAN movie. I'm interested in development of ESAN. But at least, ejara sabo, ebake sabo lu arubo. You know, so that is me. Ona sabo kejeje sabo kelu. Me and say at least okay. Me mama de sabo ke sabo lu now. No. Make me mama des about kelwana. Only mama they interested for me. Only my mama they interested. Okay. Our music industry, our movie industry, but about change. You need to help them. You need to help many musicians say no Yahweh, no help, no nothing. But about change. But about change. How can we come up with idea that can help them? Only men. So thank you guys for joining today. It below. So it below Monday. You know, so I could enjoy a borrow every down. You know, till next Sunday again. Please let me show the video now to your friends. Oh no, let's say again, my WhatsApp is there. So when Benjamin, let's say Master Boshin, you know, Urumi Green Revolution, great. You know, so a Master Boshin, why my revolution, great. So one Waja try it will come on. It will okay, son. When okay, son, my back will okay, son. So no bright create one different. You know, God bless us and give us ideas and everything. So I'm gonna watch my promoting him. God bless you guys. Thank you for joining. And maybe we say subscribe to this channel. We lose one and we'll go now. I subscribe. But yeah, I have some. I have some. Just a robot so we appear the notification. But yeah, that may upload the video and only low not way now. First, we need to appreciate each other and embrace ourselves and be our brother's keeper. God bless you. Only love metal sense. Only love mechege mani di mare kugbe. Mani di mare kugbe mama. You know, mani di mare kugbe. You know, mama kugbe da hona. Okay, na medagi many video nya. I check ESAN this one, ESAN that one, governor, ESAN have to be ESAN person, ESAN. Mawa kugbe da ye hona. Mawa kugbe da ye hona. Ah, una good evening. God bless you, Esther. God bless you. God bless you, sister. So, God bless you. When I don't even show the video. So, mawa kugbe oda ye hona. No, so when wo ESAN Musician Association, they ESAN rebe. Wani di ware kubogbe. Wani di ware come together. Beja da make it chon. The movie side of it, movie. You guys need to do better. I love it, baby. I support it, baby. It will go a long way. It will encourage us. Nirobana, married, the love is there and everything is there. Maggie is about supporting her. God bless you guys. God bless you, everybody. This album, Progress from Wadada, is everywhere in the platform. Or in music store, all the whole music store you can think of. On the music or that, or in Facebook, or in TikTok, or in Facebook, or in TikTok. You know, so you know, or in Facebook, or in TikTok. So please, why don't download the one TikTok video. If you are a TikTok user, Wadada Progress or Kiri TikTok. Kaladu is in TikTok. The full album is there. Martin Lezo, Brian Hitchas, the gospel singer, and the actor and the movie producer also, or read TikTok also. So let's learn to appreciate them by promoting them. Mare Lwebejaro here. Mark, I use it music, you know, say, why do you have music, you know, say, with Facebook? We're not sharing all with timeline, we share all with story. Wadada is there, Afile is there, Aizonofe is there. Erebe doing it, why do you use it? Emi wano. Are they not our brothers? Emi wano. Bejara meme ge markets about promoting ESANMUSIC. So no brother Baba wa bobo kweme. Wa kweme for Johnny. So no brother Baba sonke de Baba me wa da shami gbe wa da shami mo. Wa da lute eson bitikun eson da gbe wa. So eji wore da hold a video na whether you in Nigeria, eji wore aje. So no brother Baba re fair. O Baba alo this year. Madam mi ufumi noro. My da romoto, my da no way hospital in Yameda de Wama, you know, on of your recent my da job bigger. No, Ejiwari Ayefe, weekly, anywhere in Europe, Asia, Malaysia, Georgia, America, Canada, Ejori Aye without one video. No. My prayer is that the Lord will bless you, bless your family. Okay, Robesi, Gueva say, Ugwe no so braki, you know, Kiarabi say, Ofure no si Jesus Kiarabi say. Unye investi no so se no bra ki chon se va egbe da no si Jesu o ki chon se va utun ko no si Jesu ki chon se va e sinners ESAN working whether on the video na ju go react where you san where you son that come across this video egbe ki fo era son ki fo ero down o da mi o resin adam o we din of son one ne o da ju o da shami gbo da shami mu e do no how many gbo no we there o da na we there. God bless you guys. I so much appreciate you guys. So I will we call, you know, as in for today, Major Obogbo Del Selen until next Sunday we meet again. If you have something you want us to talk about, or maybe when Warrior no birthday, Uhonima wish your birthday is free. Just drop it on my WhatsApp. In name of birthday, in name of home encourage people, you know, as in OYE-OYEEE so. I hope you will birthday. On a little birthday, Honeyman wish you happy birthday, Aki wish you happy birthday, or costing so. And I thank you all for your love and support so far on this channel. So no brother Baba Sisi. Wow, God bless you guys. Love you guys. Please, when we say subscribe to this channel, please do and subscribe. Please, it's all about ESAN movie, ESAN music, because I so much love my culture. God bless you all. So brother Baba. ESAN OYE. Oh yeah. ESAN OYE. Oh yeah. Warara o wabu wakweme. Wakweme. The main purpose of this program is let's love our culture. Let's learn to promote our artists, our musicians. Why do you promote it? So, we are. So, bros, una not the Spotify. It dead there. The music is there. Wadada is in Spotify. Is there. Kaladu latest album is there. Vanity is there. It's there on Spotify. Or any digital store. Wait, Amojo Mujafo. Kaladu is on Spotify. Wadada is on Spotify. Hichas is on Spotify. This week, by the grace of God, a lot are coming to digital store. ESANMUSIC must move forward. Wadada is on Spotify. Oriwo, Esa Oriwo is Spotify. Say Wadada Progress, the full album is there. Commissioner Kaladu, Mathieu Lezor, the full album is there. Hichas, which is the new music from Hichas, is there. For now, me will join in several because those are my so Metobom and Loy and I know they are there. Ero Amazon, Ero Google Store, Ero iTunes, Ero Apple Music, Ero Facebook, Ero TikTok, Ero Instagram, Ero all the digital store they are there. God bless you guys. Why don't download it? Why use Facebook and Instagram also? God bless you guys. ESAN OYE. Only Jamojo Navite. Can you tell me, can anybody put it on the comment? Tamo Jamojo Navite. Amojo. Jamojo Navite. Oh yeah, Perry, God bless you. God bless you. Also, but I'm a Jamojo Navite. Jamojo Navite. I was not born then. Ha, it's okay. So also, but I'm a Jamojo Navite. Jamojo Navite. Bonvi comment. Jamojo Navite. What about Bonvi comment? Uda who no time. The WhatsApp number is there. Call. What Mama Jamojo Navite. Jamojo Navite. The WhatsApp number is +34 6323 60047. Jamojo Navite. ESAN OYE. Jamojo Navite. Where is Amojo from? Navite. Okay. Well, Jamojo Navite. Mezoboti next week. I will not tell you guys. Next week. Only Jamojo Navite. Very soon, my day give out price. No sabotage Navite. I have 5,000 recharge card market in Nonoria. Very soon. Maybe my Iromada no maybe mama, no for mama go away. So do your research and find out Jamojo Navite. Next week, give us the result. God bless you guys. So if you man, about die after Monday. So mezevabo, as in for now, man CV YouTube refo. So because money nere muskuke aho, and they wena. So I went over bukisa. Page my car joking, watching my way with Bema. I cook be or how. Waja promote Wuhama. Musicians need some Wajma promote. Wajma promote me. Wabu boo for the support and for the love so far. Wabu. Oh, that on the channel no semena. Ilo no akwenya amojo. Ilo no akwenya amojo rich channel. I will say no ege. Only lo na we mo. Other no menya sme mo modebo. Modebo voni mina no semena the best of modebo run channel. Just see that channel we are just video. From Joku Dagerebe, while Buba when so no brother Baba or whether milk, you don't want me more cannot see her, Medajoge, Medajoge, and Bequachoy, Eton, ẹ̀sùn ọgbìtìkún ẹ̀sùn dàgbéwà in Jesus name. So basha akisuwa unuwa dare no yen suwa ejibara aye keke wa dada on the video now. It is well with you guys and I love you. Please, if you have not subscribed, do so and remain blessed. God bless you. Many of you are now jump a next Sunday. God bless you guys. God bless you. God bless you.